I'm curious po, is there anything na tinuro po ng father niyo po sa inyo na you still apply up to now? Whether sa work niyo po as president or personally po?
Many things. Dami. Kung minsan may nangyayari, tapos may response ako. Tapos maiisip ko, paano ko lang gawin yun? Kasi naalala ko na, years ago, nakita ko sa father ko, meron siyang ginawang ganon. At magandang naging resulta. Kaya doon ako natuto. I think the basic thing that I learned from my father is don't stop. If you believe in something that you're doing for the country, for your people, do not stop. You will have to sacrifice. Ganyan talaga ang trabaho. You will have to sacrifice. Masasaktan ka, you will have to make sacrifices, but don't stop. You will fail. You have to stand up again. Don't stop. Don't stop.